Hello YouTubers, this is Hammy Technoid here, and today we are in the digitizing studio and we're looking at the rack that I'm about to vacate all the equipment, this side and this side. You see I've got my Carver C9, my DBX, and other items in there that need to be moved so I can rearrange and change things up in here a bit. Okay, so this is the last look of what it's going to be before I move things around. And one of the main things I want to accomplish is getting this Harman Kardon cassette deck out of here so I can replace the belt and get it back and running up to snuff. Okay, so the next picture you see is going to be a much different one. Well, as you can see, most of the rack on this side has been removed. All that's left is the little preamp I have there, my Harman P2 that I bought when I came back from Korea back in 1984. Yeah, I had to get a preamp because the Yamaha C70 that I bought while I was in Korea got stolen on the way back being shipped. Yeah, I had bought the C70 preamp and the M70 power amp. I had both of them, and they was a nice pair. And I expected to have them when I came back home, but my shipping baggage, they were gone, missing. So yeah, I reported a claim. They paid me for them, full value to boot. So instead of getting Yamahas to replace, I went for something better, I think. I got the Apt P2. Oh yeah. Nice little preamp, very highly regarded, designed by Tomlinson Holman. If anybody knows who Tomlinson Holman is, he is the TH in the THX sound systems that you hear in all the theaters nowadays. Yeah, that's the TH, Tomlinson Holman, and he designed this preamp and it is superb. I love it. I'll never sell it. Okay, so yeah, what we've got to do now is get over here to this side and disassemble all these parts, and then I'll be ready to rebelt the Harman Kardon CD-491 tape deck and then put everything back together. Yeah, baby. Well, as you can see, the cabinet has been vacated of the equipment, and those two cords hanging down there belong to the turntable on the top, and that's not going anywhere. That's going to stay. So this side is vacated and this side is vacated. Everything is emptied out. So now I can work on changing the belt on the Harman Kardon CD-491, and then once that's done I can reassemble everything back here and put it in an arrangement that I feel maybe more useful to me. You know, something a little less hectic and something more useful and easier. Yeah, easier is the word I'm looking for. And just so, yeah, I've got some of the stuff stacked over here too. It's just off to the side. Yeah, there's the cassette deck I'm going to rebelt. And there's my DA3000 super digital recorder. And there's my old school digital recorder which used DAT tapes. Yeah, that's a Sony. It still works great. Nice. Now I'm going to go to the other room and show you where everything else is stacked. Yeah, as you can see, the majority of the rest of the equipment has been placed in here. Okay, so there's the C3PO and the DBX5BX, the DBX224, DBX200, the Apt Holman preamp is in here now. So anyway, this is where it's going to reside for the time being until I get all the work done that I need, and then it gets reassembled, which is probably going to be the weekend after Memorial Day weekend. Okay, so thanks for watching, and stay paying attention and being patient with me. So until next time, see you later.